In this video, I will show you how to order from different store in 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here and asked me to place order for different store, and I decided to make a video about it and show you on how we do it without any stress. So let's get started. So you can see the contacts right here. These are the product screenshot and likewise the product link right here in my DM in WhatsApp. So you can see everything right here. Okay, and these are all the product link right here. What we want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on here to open the product link, just like so. Having opened up the product link, next thing we want to do is to check on the product detail, check on the product graphics as the case may be. Once you are able to satisfy with the product detail, next thing you want to do is to add the product to cart. In this tutorial, to make this tutorial short and straight to the point, I have already added all the product to cart. Next thing I want to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to fill the cart, just like so. So you have all the products in my cart right here. So these are from different store right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the products you have in your cart right here. So from here, we can easily place order from all these store at once and make payment in 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the first store. So I'm paying for this store. Then scroll down right here and select another store. Then scroll down right here, select another store. Then scroll down right here, select another store. Select another store right here. Then select another store right here. Then select another store right here. Then scroll down right here, select another store. Then scroll down, select another store. Then another store. And the last store right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so, so you can see all the product right here. Scroll down right here and review everything, just like so. Next thing we want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on here to proceed to payment. So just like so, I'm paying the sum of 312.50 yuan. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Then allow the Alipay to connect. Then enter my payment password. So just like so, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment. And I need to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. By the time I refresh the cart, the product is no longer found right here. So I need to go back to my profile, then continue to go back. Then for me to go to my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, all the store we pay for right now is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you have them all right here. Lastly, I'm going to exit from here now, from my 1688, and come back to my WhatsApp right here. Then send proof of payment to the owner of this goods right here. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and simply click on here. Then select the proof of payment. and say payment done and hit on send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.